Looking for something fun to do? Come on, let's get out, Beaver County. Hey everybody, greetings from the Harmonist Cemetery in Ambridge, a very unique and historic site. We're here with Sarah, the curator of Old Economy, to talk about a unique event going on this Sunday. First of all, talk about this site. This is a very unique cemetery.
Yes, this is definitely a unique cemetery. This is where all the Harmonists are buried that died here at Economy. And Old Economy Village is the home of the Harmonist Society.
But what we're not seeing is any tombstones, and there's a reason for that.
Right, they thought that in death as in life, they should be all equal, and so there's no headstones except for some hired workers.
But that's caused a lot of interest and mystery over the years, and there's actually a lecture this Sunday to talk about that.
Right, right. We would like to know how everyone was buried in here. I mean, it's kind of hard to believe 600 people would be buried in this size cemetery. So how were they buried? And we asked Dr. Bryan Hanks from University of Pittsburgh to come in and talk to us about that.
And he uses some kind of like unique technology to study underground,
yes,
right?
He has ground penetrating radar, and he uses 3 different systems to determine different aspects of the soil and how it's been changed throughout time.
Okay. And this is something people pass by all the time. They probably don't realize there are, like you said, almost 600 bodies or so buried right here in this very unique site.
Yeah.
Okay. So the lecture itself is free?
Yes, it's free. And it's at 2 o'clock at the Granary at the historic site.
At Old Economy?
Yeah. Not in the cemetery itself.
Okay, okay. It'll be warm there, in other words.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, the Granary's nice and warm.
And then you can walk down and check this out.
Right. Right. And it's not marked by a sign right now. We're in the process of moving the sign to the corner of the cemetery, so we took that out for right now. So right now it just looks like a fenced-in field. Okay,
and we should say there are actually 2 headstones, but those are for workers. They weren't actual residents.
There are some hired workers that were buried in here, as well as some Indians. They had an Indian mound just south of here, and when Ambridge became a town, they leveled the Indian mound, and whatever they found, they buried in the cemetery here.
A lot of history underfoot here at Ambridge, so you want to learn more about it? Come to the lecture this Sunday at Old Economy. Thank you guys for joining us at Get Out this weekend. For more entertainment ideas, check back next Wednesday at timesonline.com.